Hello everyone, my name is Nikita Keshav Khande and today my subject is abstraction in Java. So now we'll discuss about the abstraction in Java. Abstraction is the main OOPS concept in abstraction. OOPS means object-oriented programming system. So abstraction is hiding of the implementation and show of the implementation of functionality is known as abstraction. Then abstraction is the process of the hiding and the internal detail of the application is known as application hiding. Then abstraction is used to describe the things in a simple term. Then use in a between two simple range application and client program. Abstraction is the two-way of achieve in Java. First is abstract class and second is interface. So now we'll discuss about the abstract class. Abstract class, which is the declared with abstract keyword, is also known as abstract class. It can be abstract class and abstract and non-abstract method. It can have the constructor. It must have the static constructor and static method. When cannot create the object in abstract class but extend in abstraction. Then we cannot change in abstraction class. We cannot only access. Then abstraction method do not specify a body. Example: public, abstract, void, mult in end of the method. So we cannot change in the abstract method without abstract class. Then we cannot change in a final and abstract method in same time. Then we can method in a extend in a final word. So example of abstract class: company and calculator. Calculator, addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. So now we'll discuss about the rules of abstract class. Rules for Java abstract class. An abstract class is not a abstract class. It must have the abstract keyword. It must have the abstract and non-abstract method. It cannot have the constructor. It can have the constructor and static method. It cannot be instantiated, and it can have the final methods. So now we'll discuss about the abstract class having constructor, data member and methods. And abstraction is cannot have method, add member, data member, abstract method, non-abstract method, constructor and even main method. The abstract class can also have been used to provide same implementation of the interface. So this is from my side. Thank you all of you.